Bye-bye, campground. We're in Fresno. Look, Fresno. Fresno. We need to get to Sequoia National Park by 4 p.m. And that means we have 2 hours to enjoy civilization. And we're trying to decide whether or not we eat Chinese food, drink coffee, watch a movie, charge our batteries. What do we do?
Take a shower.
Take a shower. If I had my choice, I would take a shower. Look, Fitness Health Club. Do you think we could just walk in and ask them if we can take a shower? No, they just make fun of us. He didn't tell me where we were going. When we turned into this plaza, I got so upset because the first thing I saw was McDonald's. And why on earth would you eat McDonald's when you have only 2 hours? And then I got really happy because we pulled into this area and it's got Taipei 101 Tea House. And right next to it, there's Hunan Restaurant. Oh, I'm so happy you exist. If I wear this, I'll match with the table. Thank you. This is our new home for the next 3 days. And we set up our little tent house and all of our stuffs and our fire. It's funny how when you're camping, life revolves around like the basic things that we all take for granted, like shelter and fire and food. Look at how much firewood Eric got for us.
I tore down an entire tree with my bare hands.
That's illegal.
Just kidding.
Show me how you make fire.
I got the bigger, heftier pieces of wood here, smaller twigs. Got very, very dry pieces here too that burns really easily. Okay, so we put a fire starter at the very bottom, and then I put like little twigs so it catches easily. The idea is that you want to get it started early, and that'll eventually set this guy on fire. It'll be a much more sustainable fire.
So pro.
Let's try this.
Alright, this is how you make quesadillas in the woods. You have a tortilla, shredded cheese, we sauteed some onions, hot dog, and we take some Prego sauce. And then turn it into an aluminum foil package. Like this. Stick it on the grill. It's hot. That's good.
Yeah?
Where do we think we should put this hammock?
This tree and this tree?
Do you think it can stretch that far? I just want to say thank you to our friends who got us presents. The hammock is awesome. This blanket has been used very much. And this thing, a solar powered light that we have been using inside of our tent, and it's really fun. I really like it.